Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study the topics of jam ring theory, that is ring homomorphisms. Now let's get started. Question 1. Let R and S be two commutative rings with unity, and let F from R to S be an onto homomorphism if characteristic of R is non-zero. Show characteristic of S divides characteristic of R. आंसर, अब हम सपोज कर लेते हैं characteristic of R is n, and n is a positive integer such that na is equal to 0 for all a belonging to capital R. So n dot 1 is equal to 0 and n is least, because unity also belongs to R only. So, and moreover characteristic is equivalent to, अगर हम unity की characteristic निकाल लें, basically order. So it implies 1 plus 1 and so on plus 1 is equal to 0. That is additive order of 1 is n, and as f is onto, f of 1 is unity of S, which in turn implies characteristic of S is additive order of f of 1, and also we know that order of f of 1 divides order of 1, that is n, and n is characteristic of R, which in turn implies characteristic of S divides characteristic of R. Question 2. Ring of Quaternions, that is Q8, is isomorphic to a ring M defined as in form of matrices A, B minus B का conjugate, A का conjugate, where A and B belongs to complex. इसका आंसर ये हमें बेसिकली शो करना है. Let A plus iota B plus Cj plus Dk belongs to Q8. इसको हम रिंग ऑफ क्वाटरनियंस को D से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं फॉर द टाइमिंग. देन A plus B iota plus Cj plus Dk is equal to A plus B iota plus C plus D I to J, क्योंकि रिंग ऑफ क्वाटरनियंस में Ij is equal to K. That's why we have replaced K with Ij. Define a function phi from D to M such that phi of A plus B iota plus Cj plus Dk is equal to A plus B iota C plus D iota minus C minus D iota A minus B iota. इसमें जो A and B अलग अलग थे उसमें हमने इसको सपोज x मान लो एंड इस क्वांटिटी को y, जिसमें a एंड b है. Now it can be easily shown that phi is a ring homomorphism. That it preserves addition is very easy, so that I am leaving up to you. For that it preserves multiplication. Phi of a plus b I c j plus d k into a dash plus b dash I c dash j plus d dash k is equal to phi of a plus bi plus c plus di into j a dash plus b dash I plus c dash plus d dash I into j is equal to phi of a plus bi into a dash plus b dash I plus a plus b I c dash plus d dash I j plus c plus di j into a dash plus b dash I plus c plus di minus 1 c dash plus d. Now in this case we will consider this and this as x and this whole with j outside, j को include नहीं करना, as y. So which in turn implies matrix A plus B iota I, A dash plus BI minus C plus DI, C dash plus D dash I, A plus BI, C dash plus D dash I plus C plus DI, A dash plus B dash I, एंड यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा माइनस ऑफ उसका जो कॉन्जुगेट होगा बेसिकली y का a माइनस बी आई c डैश माइनस d डैश I प्लस c माइनस डी आई a डैश माइनस b डैश I into a माइनस बी आई a डैश माइनस बी आई डैश b डैश minus c minus di c dash minus d dash I, which in turn implies a plus bi c plus di c minus c plus di a minus bi into, it can be easily shown matrix multiplication by a dash plus b dash I c dash plus d dash I minus c dash plus d dash I a dash minus b dash I, that is phi of first element x into phi of second element y, where x and y were, this was x and this was y. you can take it as x dash and y dash. So multiplication is preserved under it. Also, it can be easily shown that phi is 1, 1 on 2, which in turn imply phi is ring isomorphism. Therefore, T is isomorphic to M as rings.